Okay, so today we'll start chapter number 2, and the chapter number 2 is the recording process. Okay, so learn the recording process is the chapter name. First of all, we'll learn about the account. Okay, what is account? So account means what? See, an account is an individual accounting record of increases and decreases in a specific asset, liability, or ownership item. So individual accounting record, like you have seen in the transaction analysis, we have done plus minus in cash column. We have done increase and decrease in the supplies column. We have done increase and decrease in the accounts payable column, in different column in asset, liability, and ownership item. So this increase and decrease, if we keep it individual record of this, then we'll call it as a account. Okay, account bolte amra ki bujhi? Individual accounting record of all the increases and decreases in specific asset, liability, or ownership item. And this is the example of account. You see cash is an account, salary expense is an account, accounts payable is an account, then next is the supplies is an account receivable is an account. And I think you're clear. Account, is it clear? Account clear সবাই? আমাকে শুনতে পাচ্ছেন সবাই?
Yes, sir.
আচ্ছা। Then next we'll learn about the debit credit. What is debit? What is credit? Okay. So the terms debit and credit mean left and right respectively. Debit means left hand side and credit means right hand side. Very simple. Debit means left hand side and credit means right hand side. So the act of entering an amount in the left hand side, we call it as a debiting the account. And on the other hand, if we write anything on the right hand side, then we'll call it as a crediting the account. So আমরা আগে বলছি debit এবং credit. Debit means left, credit means right. Debit means left, credit means right. And the act of entering amount in the left hand side, we call it as a debiting. And on the other hand, if we write anything, if we enter any amount on the right hand side, we call it as a crediting. And when the debit amount exceeds the credit, we call it as a debit balance. And reverse is true, the account has a credit balance. So what is balance? I think you understood what is debit and credit. Debit means what? Debit means, someone please tell, debit means what? That I already said. Debit means left hand side, right?
Left hand side. Yes, sir.
Yes. And credit means
Right hand side.
yes. So if we write anything on the left hand side, we call it as a debiting, right? If we write anything on the left hand side, we call it as a what? We call it as a debiting. Is it clear? কোন অ্যামাউন্ট যদি আমরা লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইডে লিখি, তাহলে আমরা সেটাকে কি বলবো? আনমিউট করে কথা বলেন, আপনাদের কারো রেসপন্স পাচ্ছি না আমি। I cannot continue like this. Everyone, please, you should respond. Okay, you should talk.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So if we write anything left hand side, what does it means?
Debit, sir.
Debit. Okay. And if we write anything on the right hand side, we call it as a credit. Okay, we call it as a credit. If we write anything on debit, we call it as a debit. If we write anything on right hand side, we call it as a crediting. Now we'll talk about the balance. Okay, if debit side is bigger, then we'll call it as a debit balance. And if credit side is bigger, then we'll call it as a credit balance. কথাটা কি clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
If we write anything,
Yes, sir.
like for example, we have two sides. Okay, this is debit, this is debit, this is left hand side, and this is credit, or we also call it as a right hand side. These are the two sections. Okay, now you see, for example, we have 1000 taka on debit side, 1000 on debit side, and credit side 300 taka. Credit side 300 taka. So which balance, which side is bigger here? কোন side বড় এখানে দেখেন তো? Which side is bigger? Debit side is bigger. You see how much bigger? কত টাকা বেশি আছে দেখেন তো? কত টাকা বেশি আছে? ডেবিট সাইডে কত টাকা বেশি আছে? যদি 1000 ডেবিট আর ক্রেডিট সাইডে 300 টাকা থাকে, তাহলে ডেবিট সাইডে কত বেশি আছে? Here, which side is bigger? Here, debit side is bigger, right? Debit side is bigger.
Yes, sir.
Okay, কত টাকা
Yes,
বেশি?
sir.
How much bigger?
700.
700. So here, in this case, we will call debit balance 700 taka. Debit balance 700 taka. যত টাকা বেশি আছে, ঠিক, that will be the balance.
700.
Right. Yes, sir.
Okay, the side which is the bigger, we'll call it as a that side balance. Here debit side is bigger, 1000 taka, so we'll call it as a debit balance. Okay, is it clear? Now same amount. Now you see, here you see, here is the case. Now which side is bigger?
Sir,
Debit 1000,
right hand side, sir.
right hand side is bigger,
Right hand side, sir.
or credit side is bigger, right? So credit side is how much bigger?
Yes, sir.
How much bigger?
2000.
2000.
2000.
So we'll call this case as a credit balance 2000 taka.
2000.
Credit balance 2000 taka. Are you clear? Debit balance and credit balance?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then we'll go to the next column, next slide. Okay, basic form and accounting. Basic form and account. In account, it must have the title of the account, like cash account. So cash is a title, and it must have a two side. One is the left hand side or debit side, and another one is the right hand side or credit side. It looks like T, that's why we also call it as a T account. Okay, it looks like this. See, title of the account, then we have a two side. One is the debit and another one is the credit. If debit side is bigger, we'll call it as a debit balance. If credit side is bigger, then we'll call it as a credit balance. Okay, I hope clear. So as I say, if debit side is bigger or left hand side is bigger, we'll call it as a debit balance. On the other hand, if right hand side or credit side is bigger, we'll call it as a credit balance. Okay, so is it clear? T account?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we'll go to the next slide. Okay, just see how the account is formed. You see, this is a cash account from a transaction analysis. From the very first math, if you can remember, 15,000 minus 7,000, 1,200. So this is the cash account, okay? All the transaction from the transaction analysis, plus minus. So I'll show it in the account form. This is the account form. Same thing in the account form. So here is the balance. Debit side is bigger, so 8050. So I'll make it understood later. So I'll back to the slide again, but before going to the slide, I'll now discuss about the debit and credit rules. Okay. So please give attention. If you don't understand, ask me question. This is very important topics. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you see, we already know what is accounting equation. Accounting equation is what? A equal to L plus OE, right? A equal to L plus OE. You know that equation, right?
Yes, sir.
A equation to janen. Okay. So, and we also learn modified accounting equation. So we can write asset equal to liabilities plus capital plus revenue minus expense minus drawing. So this is the accounting equation. I think all of you know it, right? কারো কোনো confusion? এটা সবাই জানি আমরা। Asset equal to liabilities plus capital plus revenue minus expense minus drawing. Are you clear this accounting equation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see, if we here you see on the right hand side, expense and drawing is minus, right? Expense and drawing is minus. So you know this is the formula for the equation. This is the rules for the equation. If we change the side, then our sign will be changed. Expense will be plus. If we change the side, right? If we change the expense and drawings to the left hand side, then our sign will be changed. Okay. So not keep any minus here. Not keep any minus here. Okay. So let's see. We can write asset plus expense plus drawing equal to liabilities plus capital plus revenue. Can we write this equation? From this line, can we write this line? আমরা কি এই লাইন থেকে এই লাইনটা লিখতে পারি? একটু দেখেন তো সবাই।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can we write it? Because here you see,
We said minus, A side dash plus.
right? A side and minus, it will be plus on that side, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see there is no minus, everything is plus. Okay. There is no odd thing. Everything is all right. Everything is similar. Okay. Now you see we have a two side here. We have a two side. Okay. We have a left hand side. This is we will call left hand side, and this is we will call right hand side. Okay. So
Right hand side.
let's insert a chart. আমরা একটা table. Okay. So here you see this is left hand side, and this is right side. And you know already we already discussed that is left hand side, we call it as a debit side. Okay. This is debit side.
Debit side.
Debit
Yes,
side.
sir.
And this is credit side. Okay. And here from the equation you see this is our left hand side. Okay. This is the left hand side. So we'll keep it in the left hand side. Left hand side or debit side. And we'll keep in the credit side. Okay. Is it clear? এই যে এটা লিখলাম এটা কি ক্লিয়ার সবাই?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll discuss about the debit credit rules. What is the debit credit rules? So for the left hand side, those in the left hand side, if it is increase, they are in the debit side. So if it is increased, then it will be debit. If it is decreased, then it will be credit. Okay, because it is in the debit side. So if it is increased, then it will be debit. If it is decreased, then it will be just opposite, that is credit. যদি ইনক্রিজ করে তাহলে কি হবে, ডেবিট সাইডে যেহেতু আছে, দ্যাটস ওয়াই ইনক্রিজ করলে ডেবিট এন্ড ডিক্রিজ করলে ইট ইজ ক্রেডিট।
David.
Is it clear? And normal balance or on
Yes, sir.
default balance, on default, it will give you always debit balance because they are in the debit side. Debit balance means debit side will be bigger. And on the other hand, right hand side, this is the right hand side. Okay, so you know liabilities, capital, revenue. So if it is increase, then it will be credit. And if it is decrease, they are in the credit side. So if it is increase, it will be credit. If it is decrease, then it will be debit. Okay, decrease korle debit.
David. Yes, sir.
Okay, and it will give you always normal balance will be credit balance. So debit and credit rules আমরা প্রথমত অ্যাকাউন্টিং ইকুয়েশনকে দুই ভাগে ভাগ করে নিব, যেটার এক সাইডে লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইড আরেক সাইডে রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইড। লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইড মিন্স ডেবিট সাইড। ইফ ডেবিট সাইড যেটা যে সাইডে আছে ইনক্রিজ করলে সেটা ওইটা, লাইক ডেবিট সাইডে আছে তাই এটা ইনক্রিজ করলে ডেবিট, আর ডিক্রিজ করলে জাস্ট অপোজিট, দ্যাট মিন্স ক্রেডিট। আর অন দ্য আদার হ্যান্ড liabilities, capital, revenue, they are on the credit side. So if it is decreased, if it is increased, then it is credit. If it is decreased, then it is debit. And they are in the debit side, that means normal balance will give you always debit balance. And they are in the credit side or right hand side, so that means their normal balance will be always credit balance. Okay, are you clear? সবাই কি clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
এইটা যদি মনে রাখেন তাহলে আপনাদের আর জার্নাল করতে there will be no problem. It will be easier for you to understand transaction analysis.
Yes,
And
sir.
if you know this rule, then it will be very easier for you. So for asset expense, asset means we have cash, supplies, account receivable, equipment. Expense, so expense is what? Supplies expense, advertising expense, rent expense. So different expense, utilities expense, all expenses. Then drawings. So for this, if it is increase, if it is plus, if it is increase in the transaction analysis, then that means it is debit. If it is decrease, then it is credit. And for the liabilities, like account payable, note payable, capital, revenue, if it is increased, then it is credit. If it is decreased, then it is debit. And normal balance will give you always credit balance. So I hope you are clear. Any question regarding this? কারো কোনো question আছে? So what is double entry system? In a double entry system, it equals debit and credit are made in the accounts for each transaction. You know, this is a double entry bookkeeping system. In accounting, everything is followed the double entry bookkeeping system. So according to double entry bookkeeping system, you know, our transaction in the transaction analysis you have already seen. In accounting equation, there are effect in two sides, either in the asset side. Each transaction there is a effect in two sides. Either there is a effect in asset, either there is a effect. In double entry system, each and every account same amount will go to the debit balance, same amount will go to the credit balance. That's why it is called as a double entry bookkeeping system. Okay. Then next, it follows this each and every transaction in transaction analysis. Internet problem. To the debit and same amount will go to the credit, and that concept we basically call it as a double entry system. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So normal balance, every account classification has a normal balance, whether it is debit or credit. Normal balance on default, some balance will be shown, like asset will always give you debit balance. Asset will always give you debit balance. Expense and drawing, these are the three account that will give you always debit balance. On the other hand, capital, revenue and the liabilities will give you always credit balance. So that is we call normal balance. Whatever we discussed earlier, that will be discussed right now. See here, if asset increase, then it is debit. If it is decreased, then it is credit. If liabilities increase, then it is credit. If liabilities decrease, then it is debit. And asset normal balance is debit balance. Liabilities normal balance is credit balance. Okay. And owner's capital, if it is increased, then it is credit. And if it is decreased, then it is debit. And owner's capital will give you always credit balance. আমরা একটু আগে যা আলোচনা করেছি এটাই আমরা দেখাচ্ছি, রাইট? বুঝতে পারছেন সবাই?
জি 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 স্যার।
কিন্তু আমরা আগের মতো করে যদি মনে রাখি তাহলে আপনাদের বুঝতে সুবিধা হবে বা মনে রাখতে ইজি হবে। এখানে একটু হ্যাপহ্যাজার্ড লাগতে পারে। Owner's drawing, if it is increased then it is debit, if it is decreased then it is credit, and drawings normal balance will give you always debit balance. And revenue and expense, revenue, if it is increased then it is credit, if it is decreased then it is debit. Expense, if it is increased then it is debit, decreased credit. And revenue normal balance is credit, and expense normal balance is debit. Okay, I hope you are clear. Same thing, you can follow my way that I discussed. That is, you just see, you just remember the accounting equation, change the side, make two division. That is, one will be the left hand side, another will be the right hand side. Left hand side is the debit side, right hand side is the credit side. Debit side, if it is increased, debit. If it is decreased, then it is credit. And on the other hand, right hand side or credit side, if it is increased, then it is credit. If it is decreased, then it is debit. I hope you are clear, right? Shabai ki clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here is the summary. You see, asset plus debit minus credit, liabilities plus. Okay, we already discussed. I think you understood. Now we'll go to the next step, that is recording process. Okay. First of all, we have to analyze each and every transaction. Each and every transaction we must analyze. Then we'll enter the transaction in the journal. Through the debit credit rules, we'll enter the transaction in the journal. Journal is the primary books of the accounting. This is a very basic book of accounting, initial book of accounting. Then after that, from the journal, we transfer it to the ledger account. And this system, we call it as a recording process. শুনতে পাচ্ছেন সবাই? Okay, now I will discuss about the journal. আপনারা সবাই শুনতেছেন আমাকে? সবাই কি শুনতেছেন?
জি স্যার।
Transactions are initially recorded in chronological order in a journal before being transferred to the account. Okay, so journal is the very primary books, and it is initially recorded in chronological order. Chronological order means according to the date, date wise we actually record. Like this is September. So first of all, we'll record the September 1 transaction. Then secondly, we'll record the September 2 transaction. Then thirdly, we'll record the other date transaction. So we'll actually record on the basis of the date, on the basis of the chronological order. Okay, is it clear? সবাই কি clear?
না স্যার, নেটওয়ার্কের প্রবলেম আছে।